Hello all, welcome back to this YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good. So, if you are new to this channel, feel free to check it out. I have a lot of content here. You can see I have made a video on new updated SOP on wings1 November for the November cycle. And also, you can see there is a hands-on T4 for Spring Boot. It is a prerequisite. So, if you go to playlist, you can find a lot of content here. So without any delay, let us dive into this video. In this video, we gonna see the roadmap for becoming a digital associate with from the Wings one. So this might be the same thing for like this thing might be known to most of the associates, but those who are new to this TCS and they wanted to become a digital associate, so uh, they can might get some good knowledge from this. So I'm making this video. I'm sure that in the next video I'll try to do for innovator milestone as well. So let us dive into this video. So in this video we're gonna see the roadmap for becoming a digital associate. So without any delay, let us start this. My target is to explain you clearly within a less time so that you'll get a lot of knowledge from this. So if you see, this entire picture gives you how to become a digital associate from ninja or a smart associate. So what you should do, so let us see this first of all. So the prerequisite is that they should come an associate who is a ninja candidate. He should finish this prerequisite. This is the prerequisite. He should have finished that. This is a kind of track. First he should finish a domain learning completion and also an articulation with minimum pass. He should either pass or get distinction. So after that, there will be a only two tracks for for becoming a digital associate. Whereas for becoming innovator, we have like four tracks, not a four. It is five. So it is five. Here you see there are track one and track two, right? For the track one should finish definitely this core full stack. One core full stack with definitely it is a distinction. So if you come to the track two, right? So here either you can finish one core full stack with a pass or distinction, or else one core non-tech track with a distinction that is either process or business skills. So or else another thing is that one unit elective distinction. It is either internal or external. So if you ask me where to do these courses, so first question is that where to do these courses. If you go to the course ID 15205, there you can find all the courses what you need to do. So so this is the whole mapping, right? So let me take you to the next slide. So there I'll show you like what is going on. So this is milestone prerequisite, right? So as I said in the earlier slide, so this is that which we are speaking about. So this is that. See, one is domain and articulation. Domain is the thing which you should finish in the course ID. It is 15205. As your IT, I know, like you can search this and it will get information here. If you go there you can find domain and you can finish directly in the eyeball. This is done. So if it comes to articulation, in this itself there will be some prerequisites. First you should finish. Wait a second. First you should for this for this you should finish first of all a prerequisite which is in 10205. After that, when you are registering for this examination, so you will select articulation, right? There you should get what you should get. Here they said, right, minimum pass. You should get minimum pass. So if you get minimum pass or else distinction, that's fine. So you can see this, right? Star is a distinction. So this is the pass. So this I got from somewhere in the internet. This mapping, this roadmap. So milestone prerequisites and all. This journey you can find this here, right? This gives you an idea, so that I kept this. So this is done. So you should get minimum pass or else distinction here. So this the first part is done. This is done. So next we will jump on to the track 1 and track 2. What is this? What are these? So if you see the step 1, this is a track 1 where you should finish definitely at any one of core full stack with a distinction. That is confirmed, you should get a distinction. So which track you should select, that is obviously your wish. Like, someone might know React JS, Angular and Node. Those can select some, I think it is a T1 track. If they know Java, they'll select a T4 track. So in that way there are a lot of tracks there, so you can go there and you can search there. So most of them tell that that is easy, this is easy, but as a person, when we gonna write that, first of all we should see which language we know and which we can do easily. So based on that you can choose whatever you need. So if this is done, so half of the portion is done here. So they said, right, track 1 full stack distinction. That means if you have seen if you need the how results are published and what are the percentages before there were percentages, now these are percentages, right? So if you wanna need that information, you can watch my old video, like previous video which I have made on updated SOP for wings1 November cycle. There I have explained very clearly that what are the percentage they are looking for to give a distinction for a pass and all. Like if you get some 75th percentile, you'll get distinction. If you get some 55 or 50, I'm not sure, you watch that video and you'll get a lot of information there regarding this updated SOP. This time they have updated some things, so you can look it out, you can check it out that. So when it comes to step 2 here, so they are telling, like, there are few things here. They can either complete one of these. So when they are completing one of these, so here for a core full stack they can either get pass or distinction. This is because this is in the step 2, right? So thing is that here in the step 1 they should definitely get distinction, or else no, it will not become like, it will not show as finished. So here they should definitely get a distinction. But here, whereas here we can get pass is enough here. So one, you can complete this, or else either let me show this and I'll explain you. So this is another thing. This is non-tech thing, which is process or business skills. So either process or business skills, you can get either one of distinction. So definitely from the both we should get one distinction, either one of thing, or else unit electives. Regarding unit electives also I have made another video. They also, like, they gave some information regarding this for this November cycle, like cutoff dates and all. I have made that video as well. So if you need something, if you need something about unit electives, you can go to 1515205. There you can find external certifications list there. So from there, if you finish any one of certifications, global certification, and you upload there, so before cutoff date, they will evaluate, and and also here also you should get a distinction. So you can see this, right? Here also it is a distinction. So here also you should get a distinction. So if you complete like these things, these whole things, then you will be eligible for the digital milestone. Then you will become a digital associate from the after finishing this, from the next month salary you'll get direct digital incentives, like a digital salary. So if you notice here, there are two things you should finish. There are two things: articulation and the step 2 core full stack. You can finish with the minimum pass status is enough for that, for those two. Other than those, you should finish everything with a distinction. So I hope you understood this. For this domain, you need not to go and write to the respective centers. This you can finish. This is thing you can finish directly in the IAVOL. So there is no much like struggle for this. So these things you should focus. So before going to write into the before going to write these exams, you should definitely finish the prerequisites before given timeline. So timelines are something like it is based on a unit unit based tracks for this time. So that is September 10th and October. I'm not sure. I could not remember those things which I have made. I'll add this. I'll add that video to this video at the end screen, or else I'll give on the I button here, in the I button here, so you can check it out from there, those dates and all. So to finish these courses, right, those these pre before going to write exam, you should finish these courses in IVAL. So for finishing these courses, I have already made all those prerequisites in our channel. By going into the playlist, you can search, you can see process full playlist, and core full stack for T4 I have made. For T4 full playlist, for articulation also you can see, and also for business you can see there. So all prerequisites are there, and you can directly go there and you can utilize you can utilize your time to just watch those videos and write your answers there. So most of them are like a multiple choice questions, right? I have made all those videos with latest answers and all, so you can use that. So this is how Ninja Associates become a digital associate. So this is all about that. So I made this video separately because it should not merge up with that updated SOP and all. So if you go into the 10205, you'll find like this structure where technology, this is a core tech track thing, this is articulation, this is for process, this is for business skills. We'll have track 1 and track 2. So this is for domain, this is for external unit, external certifications related things and all. So this is all you can find where if you click on this, you'll get some information regarding this, and from there you can select if you need to work with the T4 track, you can go directly there and you can finish those courses before the given timeline. And when the timeline and again they'll give a registration link for you, so there you can opt your technology which you have completed in this IOL. If you have completed T4, then you will choose T4 in that registration link, and the same T4 uh, they'll conduct the exam on the same T4 track, because you have completed T4, and they'll conduct the exam on the T4 itself. So if by chance you did not finish that T4 in this IAVAL and you have opted for T4, they will not let you write that exam, because you should, the prerequisite is that for writing exam you should finish those courses prior to your exam in this IAVAL. So that is main thing. Before there was another thing that you can directly self declare that you know that T4 track, and if you are if you self declared that, they'll directly ask you to write exam. But now it is not happening. You should definitely finish that in this IAVAL, and there you'll get acquired. That means this is done. There it will show like course completed, right? Then only they will issue hall ticket for this examination. So main thing is that whatever you're gonna write, whatever you choose to write this in this wins1 cycle, right? You should finish those prerequisites here, and you should fill for those exams in that registration link, and they will issue hall tickets for those only, not for everyone. So main thing is that focus on finishing these prerequisites before going to fill that registration form, because once you fill that registration form, they will definitely cross check whether you finished these things or no. So keep in mind that. So thank you. If you have any doubts, you can comment it down. I'll check it out, and I'll try to provide a resolution. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.